Welcome to my class again. Today we are going to study timetable. It's on Model 1, Unit 6. Alright, so what you need to have while you're studying with me online, first one, you have to have your English book. Okay, your English book and turn to page number 29. Okay, turn to page number 29 and also a pen or pencil so you can write down anything you like while you're watching this video. All right? And this one, eraser. Of course, you have to have it because you can erase your mistake and do not make your book dirty. Now, keep your book clean. And today's learning objective, you will study you will read the timetable and complete the sentences. And also read the timetable and match to the activity. All right? But before that, let's warm up first. I want you to answer these questions, which is based on your daily life. Okay? Which is based on your daily life. If you want to answer these questions, turn on your microphone, tell your number, and answer. For example, turn your microphone and let me know your number. For example, number 1, teacher, I want to answer this question. A moment, please. I'm going to take my pencil. Don't forget to tell your number and let me know if you want to answer the question. All right, let's get started for the first question. This one, look at the picture here, and the questions will be these sides. All right, first question. What time do you wake up every day? This is the way how to answer. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. What about you? อย่าลืมบอกเลขที่ด้วยนะ All right, who wants to answer this question? First question, what time do you wake up every day? This is an example. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. What about you? ใครอยากตอบเปิดไมค์บอกเลขที่ด้วย
เลขที่14เลขที่14
Number 10. Okay, number 10. What time do you normally wake up every day?
14ค่ะที่เชอร์14ค่ะที่เชอร์
Okay, 14.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock in the morning, right? Thank you. Very good. Number 2. This one. Okay. What time do you normally go to school? This is the way how to answer. For example, I normally go to school at 9 o'clock. At 9. What about you? Tell me your number and answer the question.
6. I normally go to school at 6. Half of 6 in the morning.
A half past, right? 6. Very good. Number 6. Next one. What time do you always have breakfast? For me, I always have breakfast at 8. What about you? ปอนจันยกมือ You raise your hand, okay? You want to answer the question, right? มีไหม What time do you, what is your number, please?
22.
22. Okay, can you tell me what time do you always have breakfast?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock in the morning, right? Thank you. Number 22. Number 4. What time does your school begin? My school begin at 7:50. You know the word begin means start. The word
ที่ชื่อ
begin
คน
means
เดิมได้
start.
ไหมอ่ะ
ได้
Six. My school begin at 8 8 o'clock ไหมอ่ะน่าจะได้เลย
Okay. Again, you have to put S to. My school begins at 8 o'clock. Number 6. One more time, please.
My school begins at 8 o'clock.
All right. Very good. Excellent. Next one. Number 5. What time do you always have lunch?
Teacher.
Yes. What is your number?
5.
Number 5. What time do you always have lunch?
I always have lunch at 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock, right? At midday, right? Thank you. Number 5. Next one, number 6. What time do you go home from school?
6.
Go home from school.
6. I go home at หมายถึงว่าที่ขึ้นรถจากโรงเรียนหรือว่าไปถึงที่บ้านคะ
Yeah, you from school and go back to your school.
In
What
Teacher,
time?
me.
What is your number?
5.
5. Okay, 5. Let's talk. What time do you always go home from school?
I go home at 5:30.
5:30. Okay, 5:30. Okay. ปากกาไม่มีหมึกไม่ค่อยติด Okay, next one, number 7. What time do you do exercise? For me, I do exercise at 5:30. I play badminton. I play sepak takraw, and I jogging. What about you? What time do you do exercise?
I do exercise at 6. I do exercise at 6 o'clock in the evening.
In the evening, 6 o'clock in the evening. Number 6, right? Okay, next question. What time do you have dinner?
Teacher. Number
Yes.
5.
Okay.
I have dinner at 7 o'clock
At 7 o'clock
in
in
the
the
night.
evening, right?
Yes.
Okay, 7, it's 19 hours. All right. Number 9, what time do you read book? What time do you read book? For me, I read book before I go to sleep.
เราอ่านหนังสือกันตอนไหนมั่งอ่ะ
ที่เชื่อหนูไม่
Yes.
อ่านหนังสืออะ
Okay, let's have the person answer. Those who read book every day. What about number 1, number 2, number 3, number 7, number 8?
หนูอ่านแต่หนังสือผีได้ไหมคะ
Up to you. Any book, you know,
ห
any
นูอ่านหนัง
book.
สือการ์ตูนอ่ะ
I read
Any book.
I read a book at 7 o'clock in the evening ค่ะ
In the evening. Very good. Number 10. What time do you do your homework? What time do you do your homework?
Teacher I do
Yes.
homework at school
You do homework at school. What is your number?
5.
Number 5. Okay. Last question. What time do you go to bed?
I ไม่ใช่ I go to the bed at 8 o'clock in 9 o'clock in the evening.
9 o'clock at night, right? So what is your number?
6.
Number 6. Thank you. So we lost 11 questions here. All right. Those questions are basically asked in your daily life. So you can use those questions to ask your friends, to ask your parents, to ask your brother or sister in your daily life. All right. So today we are going to study with a picture. This is a very nice quote. A picture is worth 1,000 words. A picture นะก็คือรูปอะไรรูปภาพใช่หรือไม่
ค่ะ
รูปภาพ is worth ก็คือมีค่า 1,000 word ก็คือมีค่ามากกว่ามีมากกว่า 1,000 คำใช่หรือไม่1รูปภาพเนี่ยมันสามารถอธิบายได้หลายสิ่งหลายอย่างมาก alright so today we are going to study the timetable with a picture for example number 1 here okay dad gets up at 8 o'clock this is the timetable of the father of the dad of my dad or your dad you know he gets up at 8 o'clock every day what about this I go to bed at 8:30. I go to bed at 8:30. This is the timetable of I that I always go to bed at at 8:30. 8:30. This one, he brushes his teeth in the morning. So in his timetable, he always brushes his teeth every morning. Here, Dad take a shower in the evening. Dad take a shower in the evening, but Dad doesn't take a shower in the morning because it's cold. All right. So this is the timetable of Dad that Dad take a shower in the evening. Here. Next, she packs her school bag at 6:30. She packs her school bag at 6:30 in the morning. So she gets ready for school at 6:30. So this is her timetable that she packs her school bag every day at 6:30. I go swimming at 5:15. I go swimming at 5:15. This is my timetable that I go swimming at 5:15. 15 นาที right? What about this? Get dressed or put on. I get dressed, you know, at 7 o'clock in the morning before I go to work. This is my timetable for every day. 8, he does his homework after school. He has a lot of homework, so he does his homework after school. You know, after school means after means หลังโรงเรียนไม่ใช่ไปหลังโรงเรียนนะก็คือหลังเลิกเรียน okay after school means when he finishes his school number 10 he has breakfast at 7:30 this is his timetable that he has breakfast at 7:30 every morning all right and last Number 10, she waters the flowers at 4 o'clock. This is her timetable that she waters the flower at 4. Okay, at 4 o'clock in the evening. All right. Every day we've got 3 periods of time of the day. First one is morning, second one is afternoon, and the other one is evening. So when the morning starts after midnight, okay, after midnight, after midnight hours here. All right. When the afternoon starts, so it starts from midday, 12 hours, okay, at 12 hours. What about evening? Evening เวลาไหนถึงเวลาไหนรู้ไหม Basically evening it starts
เวลา
from
6 โมง
the ends of the afternoon. It's 18 hours ก็คือ6 โมงเย็นนั่นเองนะครับ Very good. So we've got 3 periods of time of the day: morning, afternoon, and evening. Morning start after midnight. Okay. Afternoon start from midday. And evening start from 18 hours. Okay. At 6 o'clock in the evening. All right. Now we're gonna do reading and writing. Get the timetable and complete the sentences. So open your book page 29 and we're gonna read along together. Get it timetable here. All right. Look at get it timetable in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. What does he do in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening? You can see here. Get up, go to school, have breakfast. What is that school? Maybe a school begin. Here school begin. Begin. Okay. Have lunch, teach, have coffee, play badminton, take a bath, have dinner, watch the news, read newspaper, and goes to bed. Then you have to answer this question, okay? Read the story and complete the sentences. For example, Kitty is a teacher. Kitty is a teacher. Kitty is a teacher. He lives in Bangkok. He gets up at 5:30 in the morning. He goes to work at 7 o'clock. At 7:45, what does he do at 7:45? What does he do at 7:45? Anyone know?
Eat breakfast.
Have breakfast.
It's breakfast. What is your number? Can you tell me your number, please?
มันต้อง have นี่นะ
Huh? What is your number?
5.
Number 5. Okay. So, what does he do at 7:45? So he what? He
Have
breakfast. So you have to change from have เปลี่ยนเป็น
has
เก่งมาก has. Okay. He has breakfast at 7:45. The school begins at what time?
8:30.
What is your number?
6.
6. So his school begins at 8:30. He
เขียนว่า
has
ใช่
lunch.
ไหมคะ
What time? He has
12
lunch
o'clock.
at 12 o'clock. What is your number?
6.
6 again. All right. In the afternoon, his class begin what time?
1 o'clock
อ้าว
in
ทีเชอร์
ว่า
เขียนตัวเลขเลยเหรอ
ใช่
Yes.
1 o'clock in the afternoon
Okay, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Number 6 again.
yes
Okay, thank you. Next one, he, and after that in the afternoon, what does he do? Okay, after his class begin, after that, what does he do? เขาทำอะไรต่อ
has coffee has coffee
Have coffee at what time?
what time half past 3
A 3:30. Very good. Number 6 again. Next one, what does he do?
play badminton
Okay, after that he plays. Okay, L. He plays badminton at 5 o'clock. What about evening? What about evening? What does he do in the evening? He said that in the evening he take a bath at 6:20, and what does he do after that?
have dinner
What time?
7 o'clock
7 o'clock
Okay.
on
He has dinner at 7 o'clock. เมื่อกี้สองคนบอก number หน่อย
6 ค่ะ
5 ค่ะ
แล้วก็ Okay, thank you. Next
5
one.
6 ไปพอดีเลย
Okay, 6 and 5. And what does he do after that? What does he do after that?
what the new
Watches the news.
News.
Okay, so he watches news at
at
8
8 o'clock
in the evening, right? 8 o'clock. Number 6. ใช่ไหม
แล้วก็
Okay, what does he do? What does he do after that? คน
read
อื่น
นะ
บ้างเร็วมีไหมถ้าไม่มีเอาคนเดิมนะเดี๋ยวดิฉันไปเพิ่มในคลาสโจโจให้โอเค
read
Next,
newspaper ค่ะ
he reads newspaper at 9 o'clock in the
แล้วก็
evening, right?
go
What
to
is your
bed
number?
6
6. And last one, what does he do?
go to bed
He goes to bed at
at
11 o'clock
11 o'clock
11 o'clock. Number 6 and number 5. ใช่ไหม
ใช่ค่ะ
All right, thank you.
ใจตรงกันไหม
Good. Now, I want you to read, okay, read the timetable and match. You know, match column A.
ที
Okay,
เชอร์เหลือ
column
อีก
A
1 นาที
to
แล้วเหรอ
column B. ให้นักเรียนดู timetable นี้นะครับ and match column A with column B.
อ๋อ
เสร็จแล้วให้นักเรียน
ง่าย
ไป
มาก
ตรงไหน
เลย แล้วก็ไปทำอยู่ที่ด้านล่าง
This one. For example, number 1. It's 6:30 in the morning.
get
เขาทำอะไร
up get up F get up F
F. It's time to get up. Number 2. It's 8:30 in the morning. เขาทำอะไร
begin ฮะ begin the lesson
Begin. It's time to begin the lesson. It's time to begin the lesson ก็คือถึงเวลาที่จะต้องเริ่ม ว่าไงครับ
อ๋อ ข้อ E
เฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ย
อันนี้เราทำเองนะ โอ
โอ
เค
เคค่ะ
Alright, so for your practice, finish your exercise number. Sorry, wait. Number on page 30. Finish your exercise on page 30. Page 30 ของเมื่อกี้นั่นแหละนะ
เป็นการบ้านแล้วก็
Exercise
ส่งไปในไลน์ใช่ไหมคะ
Exercise 2
ส่งในไลน์กลุ่มส่งงานใช่ไหมทีเชอร์
ครับ อันนี้คือเราทำไม่ทันไง so you have to do as your homework แล้วก็สุดท้ายให้นักเรียนทำyour homework at page 31 ไม่เยอะทีแค่1 หน้าเอง one page only okay finish your homework at home from page 30 to page 31 ทีนี้ที่ฉันอยากให้พวกเราไปดูตรงนี้ page 32 ให้นักเรียนไปอ่าน vocabularies about occupation first ให้นักเรียนกลับไป before we start our class next week I want you to read the vocabularies about occupation นะไปอ่านคำศัพท์ที่มันเกี่ยวข้องกับ occupation and next class I will have questions again แล้วก็จะให้คะแนนในคลาส Dojo เหมือนเดิมนะเพราะฉะนั้น if you read the vocabularies about occupations you can answer me next class do you understand me
ทีเชอร์สลับคาบกับทีเชอร์เจสันเหรอ
no next week
อาทิตย์หน้าไงก็อาทิตย์หน้าก็ปกติแล้วไง
alright thank you so much for today I love you guys you guys are wonderful
พี่เชื่อ
I
คือ
see
เรา
you
ไม่ต้อง
again next class bye bye
บ๊ายบาย